Start spreading the news.
So without further ado, I'm going to pass the floor over to our sponsor of this event, Ilia Montanari, who is the founder of SpaceBrains. Ilia, welcome, and can you tell us more about SpaceBrains, please?
Thank you, Natasha, for your amazing introduction. Thank you very much. So, SpaceBrains, yes, it's a story that maybe will be taught in management school as the case study of never giving up, but I will tell you about in a second. My name is Elia Montanari. Yes, I'm the co-founder of SpaceBrain, the sponsor of today's webinar, currently hosted by Climate Week in correspondence with the United Nations General Assembly that is kicking off very shortly. With us today, the guests that will reveal how space superpower are at the service of humankind. Now, about SpaceBrain is a foundation and it's not for profit. It's supported by European Space Agency, and our aim is to create the new space daring ideas. So we are on a mission to educate a new generation of space, STEM, women and men, and scientists. SpaceBrain invites those like-minded and benevolent supporters to join our mission and who will be part of that journey. But that journey didn't start very easy, and I'm sure that many others did the same. In 2016, we had this incredible idea between myself and Nathalie Dorval, our co-founder. It was not until 2018 that we were busy with paperwork, and it was a little bit slow. We were pitching to the inner circles of the European Space Agency, and we wanted to prepare what would be our space rarity auction. So we went ahead, we prepared the catalog for the auction items for the agency approval, and it was never great. And this left us with nothing. So by May 2018, we're already prepping up until just 1 month later, the astronauts, Thomas Pesquet and Jean-François Clairvoy, proposed the donation of a very special watch, the Omega Speedmaster Skywalker X33 watch, a unique piece of space hardware. So that lifeline kind of sparked new energy in SpaceBrain, and thanks to them and to the precious support of everybody involved, we were able actually to instruct and to produce the space rarity auction that went on in Champs-Élysées in Paris at the occasion of Yuri's Night in April 2019. So it was by never giving up, we are now here with this prestigious roster of guests, and it will be by never giving up that we'll be able to overcome what seems some sort of insurmountable obstacle today, that is the climate crisis. And today we will focus on a number of sustainable development goals. We will see obviously the climate, SDG number 13, but we'll also look at SDG number 3 with good health, and SDG number 6 with clean water, and SDG number 7 with clean energy. We have examples for everything. And it's going to be a long and a tough journey, but as the old proverb says, every journey, even the longest one, begins with the first step.
Start spreading the news.